Ezekiel chapter 37, verse 1 to 14. Unity is a blessing. Being united is everyone's hope when they build relationships, both between personal and in one fellowship. But the hope to remain united can be lost if faced with such complex situations. But today, we are reminded of the importance of building the spirit of unity in living the days of life, even though, in reality, the unity itself can be ignored because of the interest of certain people. But let us remain eager to maintain unity, specifically as a fellowship in Christ. Because unity is a blessing from God, prioritizing the unity as a family member, as servants, and in other social environments. Avoid all the things that potentially damage the unity of life together and keep hoping to God who unites us.